Hello, I'm Jonathan Hiller. I'm the executive sous chef at the Beverly Hills Hotel. Here we are on a gorgeous afternoon in the iconic patio of the Polo Lounge. We're going to be making our most celebrated dish, the McCarthy Salad. This salad is so popular, we serve on average 600 per week. We're going to be looking at this McCarthy Salad in detail, so you're going to be able to comfortably make this at home. The McCarthy Salad was born in the 1940s by Neil McCarthy, a famous polo player who came into the Polo Lounge after a team win, and he handed over a list of ingredients to his server, and at that point our namesake salad was made. So without further ado, let's begin. It all starts with our lettuce, and this is going to be a blend of romaine and iceberg. You put about 2 cups of the lettuce right into the bowl. You're gonna take the roasted chicken and do 2 tablespoons of that starting at 12. And then we're gonna work our way around it. Next is gonna be 2 tablespoons of chopped bacon, 2 tablespoons of hard-boiled egg, now 2 tablespoons of freshly diced tomato, 2 tablespoons of our baby beets, and we're gonna finish this off with a beautiful avocado fan. And voila, McCarthy Salad. Today you learned a little bit about the McCarthy Salad. We really hope that you're gonna be able to take this recipe and make it at your house and have a little piece of the Beverly Hills Hotel in the comfort of your home.